not a sidewalk.
It's not a sidewalk? Are you stupid? You instigated this, man. You went and you tried to solicit a trespass.
I do appreciate your guys' service.
You're a hater. Smile for the camera, man. You wanted to be famous.
I already am, right?
Yeah, you're a nerd, bro. Your mommy still combs your hair, huh?
You already said that one.
You already said that one.
Do you guys want these guys on your property filming?
What's it to you? Hey, what's it to you?
Come on, don't try to egg us on.
Why are you trying to? Why are you trying to do that?
Can you guys please get off the property?
Where's the sidewalk? Right here? There's a sidewalk right here.
This is not a sidewalk.
It's not a sidewalk? Are you stupid? This is.
Just go to someone else's property. This is not in our property. This is theirs.
Not all county roads have sidewalks.
Let me get your names and badge numbers real quick.
It's Fricano 1461.
I've seen you before.
We've been always cordial.
Until now.
Davalos? What is it? 1259?
Can you get off the property?
1483?
Told me to tell you to leave.
It has. There's an easement right here. You see?
County roads. Over there is. Right here.
You guys need to get educated on the easement.
There's no county.
If I don't get off the easement right here, are you gonna arrest me?
If they want you to be trespassed, yes. That's the truth.
They weren't even saying nothing. They were being nice. Why did you go up there and do that?
That's my job.
It's your job to instigate that.
He's smart. He's on the sidewalk. I respect that.
This idiot right here says that this ain't a sidewalk.
Gotta be an easement though, so people don't walk on this.
How stupid are you?
Not all county roads have it. We're in a county area.
There has to be an easement everywhere. Go look it up. If you find out you're wrong, are you gonna apologize? If you find out you're wrong, are you gonna apologize?
In the city area, there is. In the county pockets, there isn't.
I didn't know all the charges would have answered for somebody else. But I see you do 245.
Yeah, but they have their actual property.
Yeah, but all properties have 45-foot subdivisions, 273 I guess it's 3. On all roads, period. There has to be an easement for people to walk, so we're not walking the street, walking the street.
Yeah, no, we need to have to go to the You're going to walk the easement, right?
So, well, you will have.
Starting with Dad, what's the one?
You ask it. That's like soliciting a trespass.
That's exactly what you did. You solicited a trespass.
It's the same thing. Now, if they were to offer up that information, it'd be like, hey, we want to leave, but you went up and solicited 45 on the law. It is. You're putting it that way.
But I'm right on the easement, correct? They'll walk that over here and talk to them on
Instead of 245?
They'll have personally walk through the easement at the pass, correct?
And then didn't look.
But not stationary scale.
And then,
I'm just trying to get
so 243 on D on
Are they impeding?
Yeah, am I impeding the flow of traffic? You see anybody walking through here?
That's where the difference is. If they're impeding someone's travel on that easement, then that's a different thing.
So then I'll look up Mayhem.
No one's trying to get through. If they were, I'm sure they would move over.
You instigated this, man. You went and you tried to solicit a trespass.
I do appreciate your guys' service.
Bullshit, dude. You're a hater.
So, we wrong. In the city, there's sidewalks. Not all county streets.
But the thing is, if you're even on an easement, it's a walkway. You can't stay.
That's bullshit. I'm not blocking the flow of traffic, man. There's nobody walking through here.
Bro, just get
You guys need to get educated, man.
Do your job.
Nobody was here and tried to instigate nothing but you.
You scared of a camera or something?
I wouldn't even file. You wouldn't even file.
Oh, yeah. I mean,
That's what I'm trying to cover that.
Just cover that. These two talks.
Oh, I have I can
Hey, can I give you my card for my channel name so you can see what
Yeah,
can I give, can I give you my card for my channel so you can see what we do? We're just here to record the police, making sure they're not violating anybody's rights and stuff.
We
You're
don't
welcome.
come on scenes like this to get you guys or personal
Oh
information.
yeah, like I don't want it because of my neighbors. I just have my neighbors too, because I don't want them thinking that
It's
it
just
was us that didn't get that.
it's all about accountability and transparency. It's all it's about. If they ain't
There's a
doing anything, they
242
should
with a 17-year-old girl.
That was the already. The last name is well, you can merge that. That was it.
When you merge it, it messes up the case. Make sure you put only the right ones. No, it's not additional case. Yeah,
It will, yeah.
If it's separate call, it jacks them all.
Just you pull it on the fresh one, right?
Yeah, you pull it on the one that's this one. Don't pull it on whatever you merge. I'm gonna. Okay. And real quick, I'm gonna do both victims. Send me the one for the victim of the 242, so I can include them on my second study. Okay. Perfect.
Hey, if you find out you're wrong, are you gonna apologize? That's what men do. No? Huh? Fucking clown.
Shit, my bad.
Stop being a little bitch, dude. Seriously, man. There was no fucking need for that.
Love yourself, pussy.
Fucking clown. Try to solicit a trespass on me, little bitch. There was no need for that, man. You're a coward, dude. I bet you don't even know the First Amendment of the Constitution, right?
Love yourself, bitch.
Prior restraint, Baines Act.
Am I giving the radio already?
You gonna try to solicit another trespass for Kano? Does your mommy still comb your hair at night for Kano in the morning? She tucks you into bed at night. Smile for the camera, man. You wanted to be famous.
I already am, right?
Yeah, you fucking nerd, bro. Your mommy still combs your hair, huh?
You already said that one.
You already said that one.
Got any cheese, Laura? Killed it.
His mommy still ties his shoes, guys. She washes his clothes for him and she folds it for him. She gets the bubble bath ready for him.
It's probably Calgon.
He still has to watch PG-13 movies at home.
school bus.
Yeah.
Sesame Street. Just talking through the car. Talking to them. What I
Thank you, thank you. So he wanted to be famous. He's on. I already am. Fucking weirdo. Fucking nerd, dude. What happened? Phone died? I don't know how much room there is, but maybe you can go live if you want. They won't be here much longer because the car's getting there. You can just record it if you want. It's up to you. Yeah, mine looks good for some reason.
The screen maybe it's 30 or some shit. Yeah, screen is 30.
All the maintenance. Straight nerd, bro. Go get tucked in bed, Fricano.